So I heard a little growling noise, very faint, out of the rear. I didn't know which wheel it was. I knew it was a wheel bearing, but I found the victim. You can see right there where it puked out some of the fucking grease. Now, I've done probably like 6 or 8 track days with this car. I think this bearing is original, and the other side, I think I changed it one time already. But you can hear it where it growls. It's not loose. It didn't blow yet, but I'm gonna fix this right now.